Good morning, my friends. I have added this bike BMW GS to my fleet of other vehicles, which is Mahindra Mojo and Royal Enfield Interceptor. My sole purpose was two things: a soft ride to match my back and neck, and the brand, the BMW brand. These are the two reasons I took this, and our topic is accessories. Before that, my name is Ramachandran. I will turn 71 in February, and I am addicted to riding. My target is 1000 kilometers per month. So we start the accessories with the main stand here. This will help to lubricate the chain. This will help to remove wheel, etc. And next is the engine guard and the top guard. This is the bottom engine guard. This is a crash bar, and we have the sump guard here. This is a sump guard, and I have also added, after that, here you see the Barkbusters original, 12,000 rupees, but it really pays to buy the perfect one. This is matched to the vehicle specific. It's a vehicle specific one. And then I put the racer, which is 1 inch above and 1 inch towards you, and I am using the middle portion for this phone, this thing. Then we have the tire hugger here. This is the tire hugger, and this long distance, this will help. What else is there? Windscreen, of course. Except two items, I have taken everything from Banditos. I feel they are among the best quality accessories, and their after sales support via video chat is also very good. The only two things I imported is, one is the pure original windscreen, and which can be mounted without any alteration. Talking about alteration, the vehicle, I have not done anything which is not reversible. Everything I have done is reversible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is all it takes. I have the exact list of accessories which I can share with those who are interested. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.